Hey guys, it's just another thing about Windows 8 again. Well, I haven't really ever made a video, but okay, never mind, screw that. Yeah, the first thing about Windows 8 is that the start menu. It don't just have a little start button down here that you can just go to and click, and then a little menu comes up. When you have to move the cursor all the way down into the bottom left-hand corner, and then this pops up, and you just click it. Then you can use the scrolling wheel, or you can just come down and click this to, move this. Shut up! Gosh. Well, sorry, that was my brother doing something else. But yeah, it has tiles instead of uh, little just button things. I'm not sure what they're called. But yeah, then, well, this isn't everything that it has on. The other stuff you have to go in to show, but the advantage about the tiles is it shows more, and it displays more information than just the button thing. See, like this, for example. It shows the information and crap. You know, all the info. It's got a SkyDrive, which is like for cloud-based operating systems, I think. And then, if you want to see the rest of the apps, you just come up here, not on any of the tiles, and you just right-click. And then you can click all apps, and then you can just go through all of this. And then it has the journal and Windows Defender, I think. Windows Defender, where are you? Well, forget that anyway, but you get the point. Then another thing is that in this, oh, there it is, you can just take the cursor and go up to the top right hand corner, and it shows like any apps you have open in the start menu. Let's say I open this, and this, and this. I could just go up here, top left hand corner, and just look at them and, close them out. It's pretty simple. And that shows all the apps and crap. Another thing is, if you just want to go to the start menu another way, or I'm not really sure what this is for, but you can just go up to the very top and you see the little grabby hand thing, and it lets you do this. It's kind of pointless. Other than you can go to the start menu, and it also does things that Developer Preview won't let you, like go to the store because it said this feature isn't available in Developer's Preview. Not unless somebody changes it or knows how to change it. But personally, I don't. So if somebody else knows how to, that's good for them. Yeah, well, it has a couple apps, but we're not going to go through them all because it's going to be really, 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 really boring. And if you go to the top right-hand corner of this, then you see this little menu. Just the icons at first, and they eventually go away if you don't do anything. But then if you move it down and over, well, then you can see this, and you can go to the settings and search and all that crap. And instead of there being a little button down here, hold on. If you're wondering what Google Chrome Canary is, it's just a developer, or a kind of developer-like Google Chrome. But yeah, anyway. And when you go down here, you still have the little thing that you click that takes you to the desktop. You just have to go all the way down and click it, and then it does that. And, well, it has a lot of stuff like 7. And Windows Explorer layouts. Similar to 7, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding everything in it. It has Windows Defenders. It's built-in antivirus, and it's similar to Microsoft Security Essentials, but kind of different in a way. And you can go and change all this. And, well, I just pinned mine down here just in case I ever want to do a scan or something. I can just go down there and click it. But it has Internet Explorer 9 which is just like regular Internet Explorer and 7, and I think Vista, and has an 8 too, but this is just Internet Explorer 9. Internet Explorer 10 is over here. It, if you change the default browser from Internet Explorer, it'll take Internet Explorer 10 off of this, or off of the start menu, where you can click it. And, well, it's pretty fast, other than it does not support Java or Flash. Like, let's say, go to YouTube, for example. It's pretty fast for Internet Explorer. Personally, I don't use Internet Explorer. I mean, see, it says that, and I've tried to download it many times before I realized that it said on the Yahoo webpage that it's not supported. But yeah, it's pretty fast. It's good for like Facebook and stuff. It's good for quite a few other things. Ooh. But yeah, it's really fast. It has the same action center and everything else. Why is it still identified? Well, there's usually not that many problems with it. I've never had a problem, but other people say that they have, and well, I think that's just their opinion. They might have done something wrong or something. I mean, I'm not judging anybody, but they could have. I mean, I'm not saying they did, or I'm not pointing fingers or anything, but overall, it's really awesome. It's fast. You know, it supports nearly every single thing that 7 does. The only thing I know that it doesn't do that 7 does is on this, you can't do the Windows activation thing in this, because it won't let you do the activation thing. Like whenever your copy goes not genuine or genuine, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but well, whenever it does that, which this don't, and since it's a consumer preview, because it's a preview and it's still in the build because they haven't released a final version, it says that you have to do that to get virtual machines and stuff like that. But it won't let you. I've tried, so I mean, not unless any of you guys find a way out. But yeah, it's fast. It's good for games. It's really fast. Like, hold on a sec. The only problem that I've had with the game is Minecraft. Minecraft is the only one that I've ever had trouble with. It said that it couldn't find an accelerated OpenGL driver or something like that. Hold on. So, I'll have to fix that later, but crap. Speaking of fixing stuff, I need to update OpenSUSE. But yeah, they have a new version of OpenSUSE out too, but it's pretty beast. No, I'm just gonna update this real quick. But yeah, what the freak? How'd you get off? But yeah, it has this. I mean, it still has a lot of the keyboard shortcuts, other than if you push Windows and Tab, it don't do anything. Like in 7, it does I think it's called Arrow 3D Tab Display, where there's the windows and like if you keep pushing Tab, they switch and stuff. But you know, it's got a lot of keyboard shortcuts too. Like if you push Win and U, or the Windows button U, it brings up the ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
Okay, well, anyway, it's just really, it's fast. I mean, I'm not sure about you guys, but I really like it. I mean, a lot of you probably would too, but see, it's like still, and then you can check for updates, and then it updates or tells you whatever needs updated. But overall, it's really fast and reliable. Personally, I like it better than Mac OS 10 Snow Leopard. I think that's what it is. I think it's Snow Leopard. But just the latest thing of Mac, I kind of like this better. First of all, because I mean, I just do. I don't really know why. I think it's faster personally, and well, you know. Yeah, alright. Let's see, what else is there? Oh! And whenever you download something, it like brings it over here, and it's easily rearranged, and if you have a big icon and you want it smaller, you can just right-click it, and then click the smaller, and it makes it smaller. And then if you want something that's small and you want to make it bigger, you can just do that. And it comes in, another cool thing about it is it has Xbox Live Games and Xbox Companion, where you can actually connect your Xbox and your computer together. It's pretty amazing, but I don't have an Xbox, but we done this with my friend's computer, or my cousin's computer, because he has an Xbox, and, you know, it's just amazing. Just all the compatibility and everything in Windows 8. And I know Microsoft's been struggling with, I mean, how the Mac and Linux has been taking their market, but I would say, I mean, this is just my opinion, that this will take back their market because they can't see a future for Windows, or like, you know, it being #1 and stuff. Personally, I think they should stay #1 because Windows is fast and all. It's fast. The only bad thing about Windows is that it gets viruses. Linux don't get viruses, but it might pick up like a bug or something, but I'm sure that'll be fixed the next day. Mac, it has a couple little viruses, but not really bad enough to do anything. And, well, Windows has a couple really nasty viruses. And the Windows Explorer, over time, it slows down and corrupts. That's another bad thing about Windows. But other than that, this is absolutely the best operating system I've used in who knows how long. Crap. I don't know how long I've been recording this. I don't know, I'll find out later, but yeah. Okay, I'll see you next time I make a video, if I do make a video. Oh, crap. Okay, hold on, I forgot to show you guys this. Well, never mind, because I'm going to fix that later. In my next video, I guess I'll show you that, but yes, okay. But yeah, bye.